Hi all. What I wanted to show you or make everybody aware of is the following. Just for the example, I'm opening an account, and just to show you, I've got a custom object beneath here, account products. An account product, just a custom object, has a lookup with the account and a lookup with a product, right? So it's kind of a junction, only it's not in the master detail, but just coupling it. What I want to show you is the following. I've got an export ready, here it is, of account product. And so we've got the account ID, we've got the campaign product ID, account product ID, and we've got the product ID, right? So I'm gonna make a mistake, and I'm gonna delete all those accounts, columns like this, and also this, because I would like to delete the the account product that I related it, but let's say just for this example's sake, I took the wrong column. So I left the column with only the product IDs, right? Those are the product IDs. I'm gonna save this file just as a copy of it, demo copy, save it, and close it. And now I'm gonna open data loader like this. And I'm gonna choose the delete function because this is where the danger zone happens. And I've been working with Salesforce for 10 years. I'm really always paying attention when doing imports, inserts, updates, upserts, but also deletes. It's the first time that I saw this happen. I would expect that data loader would give an error, but you will see what I mean. So I'm gonna delete the account products. That's my goal. I want to delete account products, so those 4 records. But you all saw I chose the wrong column. I chose the product IDs, right? And that's now in my CSV file. So delete. I log in. Give me a second. Oh, sorry. There. Yep, there we go. Should be okay if I didn't mess it up. Okay. So pay attention. I'm choosing the account product object. That's the object I want to delete records from. I choose my CSV, the copy one, which contains the product IDs, not the account product IDs, but the product IDs. So I made a mistake. I just copied the wrong column. I select that. Next. It contains 4 records, 4 IDs, which is correct. Okay. I map the ID with the column. Okay. Hit next. Hit finish. Yes. I want to delete. Go for it. 4 successes. So when I go now look in Salesforce, in my org, I'm here at the account product, and I would expect I have deleted my account products, which actually is not possible because I didn't give account product IDs. I gave product IDs, but I didn't receive an error, and my delete was successful. So let's refresh this page. And what happens? The product here is gone. When I go to the recycle bin, I see in my recycle bin that those products, my products, are actually deleted, my 3 products, without any error of Salesforce data loader. So that stupefied me. So I was like, whoa, this needs to be a bug in data loader or something like that, because this is pretty dangerous. I'm going to restore those. Restore. So my products are back. So the IDs normally are the same. And I'm going to just try to do the same thing. Delete again, and now choose the account object, let's say the account object, and select the same file, which contains product IDs. Hit next. Okay. Map the ID. Okay. Hit next. Finish. Go. Yeah. Do it. 4 successes. No errors. Nothing. What do we see in Salesforce? Recycle bin. Refresh. My same products are deleted again. So it looks that delete, no matter what you provided as IDs, and no matter what object you select that you think you're going to delete, the delete action doesn't look at the object that you want to delete. It just, you pass it the IDs and it will delete all the records, even of multiple objects that you pass it by. So let's restore this again, and like this, and maybe give it an account. Let's take those lions and cats, and let's take this ID of the account, copy, and let's add it to our file. Where is my file? Where is my file? Here it is. Is that a copy? No, here's my copy. So those are product IDs. Let's add an account ID in the same column. Save it, close it, delete. Whatever object, so let's say brand, has nothing to do with the account or the account product or the product. Select my CSV copy, which now contains 5 records. So that's correct, 5 records. Say OK. Map the IDs that we want to delete. And hit next and finish. And yes, and go through with it. Okay, we've got one error. That's maybe possible that the account couldn't be deleted because it has opportunities that are enclosed one. Damn. Okay, bad example. I really want to try this one. I'm going to delete that first so that it doesn't have any related data. So like that. Is there anything else that could block me from deleting an account? So the good thing is to know that if you have accounts with related master detail records, like opportunities or cases, it will actually block you. You first need to delete the related data, but now nothing is on there again, except for the account product, which is not a master detail. So let's try the action again. Go away, delete, whatever, campsite, account products demo, yeah, go for it, 5 records, yes. Actually, I need to restore the products first because that was restored, that was deleted, so I'm gonna not restore the opportunities, but only the products because those were successfully deleted. So that's restored now. Okay. So map my ID again. So 5 records. We've got the account, 4 products, account product records, but 3 unique products and 1 account in 1 file. Hit next. Save. Yes. 5 successful deletes. Okay, and it actually, so in 1 file there were IDs from accounts, from products, like we saw, and now when I do the recycle bin, it was 1 delete action. No matter what object you choose in the first screen, it doesn't matter, it will just delete all the IDs. If no extra related master detail records are related to it, it will just delete everything that you pass it. And I find this really dangerous, and this is the first time I saw this, so I wanted to warn you. Also on the MVP fora, I asked this if this was a bug or not, and actually a lot of people didn't know this was the case, and they all find it very, very dangerous. I think it's a flaw in the design system of data loader. I do get why it would happen, but I don't find it normal and very dangerous, because in the example I gave, account products, you've got three IDs, the account IDs, you've got account product IDs, you've got the product IDs. It's easy to copy paste the wrong column. You shouldn't. You always need to pay attention, but it could happen. And if it contains like IDs of something else, it just will delete it. And you would assume that choosing or selecting the object you want to delete records from, that there would be some kind of check on it, like it does with update or insert. Because if you do an insert or an update and you pass it other IDs of another object, it will tell you as an error message, everything will fail, and it will tell you that you've got a wrong object type selected. But it doesn't do that with the delete. So pay attention, be careful. I hope Salesforce maybe provides some kind of warning thingy for that. But it's something to take with you in the back of your head, because this seems very dangerous to me. Thank you.